talk about the different types of fractions. So I'm going to remind you, when you're talking about fractions, we're talking about parts of a whole. Our top number is the numerator. Our bottom number is the total parts. That's called the denominator. So we've got three different types of fractions we're going to talk about today. We have a proper fraction, an improper fraction, and remember im is a prefix that means not, so it means it's not proper, and mixed numbers. Now you will have to be able to work with all of these, so make sure you understand them. A proper fraction is a regular fraction that we're used to seeing that we work with all the time. So 4/5 is a proper fraction where your numerator is a smaller number than your denominator. Okay, 1/2, 2/3, 4/5, 6/8. All of these are proper fractions because the numerator is a smaller number than the denominator. So what does improper mean? If im means not, it means it's not proper. So if proper has a smaller numerator than a denominator, an improper fraction is going to have a larger numerator than the denominator. All right, my improper fraction is 7/3. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to draw my fractions broken up into the thirds. I'm not sure how many I need, so I'm just going to draw a few. And I need to shade in 7 pieces, because remember your numerator tells you what you're shading in. So 7 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I have 1 hole, 2 holes shaded, because the whole thing's actually shaded in. So that's 2 holes. And I have 1/3 of the next one. Okay, so notice I drew this 2 awfully big. That's because this is 2 holes. That shows my mixed number. So we turned an improper fraction into a mixed number. A mixed number is a whole number, 2 holes, and a regular proper fraction. Okay? Now if I were to draw this, this is what 2 holes and 1/3 would look like. So let's do another example. Let's do 3 holes and 3/8. So 3 holes and 3/8 would be 3 whole fractions. 1, 2, 3. Now my proper fraction that I would need to draw has to be 3/8. So remember, when I make my 8s, I'm going to draw 4 lines, and I need to shade in 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 holes shaded in and 3/8 of my last circle shaded. So that's what a mixed number looks like. And that's how you take an improper fraction and turn it into a mixed number.